go, go, go. Oof, oof, oof. Hey, hey, hey. Look at that. Yeah, fuck yeah. I'm so happy now. How's it going, everybody? And as you can see, what's behind me is the rear overfender. So that's what we're gonna do today. It's a little bit trickier than the front because the door handle and the gas cap on this side. Let's get it. Now I'm just gonna fast forward the entire installation process over here, but if you want to learn more about it, make sure to click the video on the top right corner. In that video I have covered some tricks that you can use when it comes to installing overfenders and cutting the OEM body. And if you like both of the videos, make sure you give them a thumbs up, and if you want to watch more, please consider subscribing. Enjoy the video. So I have a little issue over here. It's not really an issue, I can just totally just install it and forget about it, but I kind of want to make this kid look perfect. The fitment is a little bit less than ideal, just tiny little bit. It's like 2 millimeters of a difference between the quarter panel and the door panel. So this just literally says 2 millimeters higher than that. As you can see over here, I drew the line over here. I kind of want to trim this a little bit more so it fits the body a little bit better. Like what I did yesterday, today I'm gonna do the same to this side. Ignore that. And then just find that little thing. I hope I don't have. There it is. Found it. And just pop it out. There you go. Ah, come on. There you go. So what I found out yesterday was you actually don't have to cut this piece off to take off the door handle. It just takes a lot of wiggles. But to maximize the weight reduction, it is better to cut this whole piece off because, you know, the metal just weighs a lot. And to make this work, to make the handle work after you put on the rear overfender, you have to, I think you kind of have to cut this piece off. But I'm pretty sure some fabricators can just, you know what? I doubt it because, you know, it's definitely gonna hit if you just mount it outside. Yeah, I don't know. All right, let's move on. All right, now you see there are two lines that I've drawn. Don't worry about the top one. The bottom one is the one that I'm gonna follow when I'm cutting it later. If you look closely, you can see some bare metal exposed and even some rust. That's because the tire would actually make contact with the quarter panel under compression or bump or whatever. And now with the overfender curving the entire quarter panel, I can cut the quarter panel even more, so I'll have enough clearance even when the car is hitting the bump stop. Voila! Look how beautiful it is. Need some final trimming, but I think it's gonna clear the tire. Nope, not this one. This one. Oh. Oh man, I might need to cut it just a little bit more because this tire is half dead. Look at that! Go, go, go! Oh! Oh! Oof! Yeah, hold on. Hey! 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 Look at that! Yeah, fuck yeah! I'm so happy now. Hell yeah! Sick! Alright. Now I can trim it and seal it up with some silicone. Oh yeah, man. I'm so pumped. All right, let's see how it looks. Full compression. Ah, it's not even going much higher. Oh man, I can definitely lower the car even more now. There it is. Wow, way more wheel travel than before. Awesome. Oh man. Oh man, I think this took me a total of 2 days. I worked a little bit on it last night. It took me about 30 minutes to install the front, about an hour for the rear. Man, this thing looks nice. Look at the fitment. I think this is a 18 by 10 or 10.5 inch wheel with 235 tires. I can totally run 265s. Yep. And this is with a spacer. If I took off the spacer or run a thinner spacer, I'm pretty sure I can run even wider tires. This is crazy. I'm so pumped. It looks like a whole car now. Oh, there's another thing. I have this little creation going on. I'm not sure how I'm gonna mount it eventually, but for now, it's gonna look like this. Maybe later on I'm going to improve it. I need to think about it, how I want to finish this. But this is a ongoing project. Man, car looks so beautiful. I'm so happy. I'm gonna give it a quick wash and put the bumper on, put the grill and light back on, just to see how it looks with everything on it. All right, let's do it. Look at the front fitment. Look at the rear fitment. Yo, I like it. I like it. It's perfect. Alright folks, that's it for this week. Thank you for watching. It might be a long video, so if you're still watching at this moment, I appreciate you. If you like this video, if you want to watch more, like, comment, subscribe, do all that. Yeah, I'll see you guys next week, or maybe the week after next, because I'm tired, to be honest. I've been feeling restless for a while, so I might take a week off or two just to relax and enjoy the life a little bit. Anyways, thanks for watching. Peace.